Hey, what's up, guys? Mike Moo here. This is just a quick little review of the Samsung wireless charger stand fast charge version 2.0 with the cooling fan. So this came out with the Note 10 series or S10 series, and it is special and unique in that it is a version 2.0 of fast charge, which allows you to charge at 15 watts. Just FYI, version 1 of the Qi charging only had up to 5 watts of charging. And with fast charge on the iPhone, which is what I'm recording this on right now, you can get up to 7.5 watts, which is 50% more than before. But at 15 watts, this is three times, 300% faster than the original Qi charging. So it definitely deserves the moniker of a fast charging 2.0, which is definitely awesome. Okay, so I've had this for about a good month now, along with my Note 10 Plus, and this is expensive. I mean, it is $80, and I got this with my Samsung Note 10 kit with a bonus package that I mentioned along with my video, where with the pre-order and ordering bonus and how you can get everything for a nice, good price. Honestly, if it weren't included in the package at a discount, I don't think I would have went for the $80 because most wireless Qi charging units have fallen short of what they claim, okay? Or it just didn't work out for my type of use. And that is, look, you want something convenient, here it is. You want something convenient that, let's say you're brushing your teeth or by the nightstand and you just wanted to charge up reasonably well while on the stand and yet not damage the battery. Okay, this seems to function and handle both of these pretty well. All right, so what's pretty key about this is not just the 15-watt charging, but you actually have a fan cooling module in here. So the fan is back here in this grill, so it pulls in air from here. And then it comes out through these side areas, these side vent areas, which help to try to keep things a little bit cooler. Now, I've seen some units where it doesn't have a fan exactly, but it is just ventilation holes over here. And while I can see how, hey, maybe Samsung could have done something where the fan blows directly at the unit, this seems to work out okay as well. Plus, it's pretty darn silent. I have yet to hear it. But I am in the San Francisco Bay Area right now. Maybe the temperatures haven't got so hot yet. So I'll definitely update this review when I have more use out of it when it's pretty hot. Okay, so of course it's Qi compatible, which even Apple has given into. And there is a fan and LED light control function apparently that you can set up to let you know. Basically, you don't set it up through the unit, but this communicates directly with the interface on the Note 10 Plus where you can have it adjust. Okay, so if you don't want the fan to turn on at all, you turn off Fast Charge 2.0, and there's actually under settings in there to configure that, and in terms of the lighting and the notices that you get when it's fast charging, etc. Okay, so that's pretty neat. That's something that you're not going to get if you're using the for instance, if I'm using this iPhone that I'm recording on right now, I don't have that configuration option on this. And plus with Apple's wireless technology that they had touted about a long time ago, AirPower not even coming through, we might not see that for many years. So anyways, this is the best of the best right now. 15 watts, fast charge 2.0. It's very nice and sleek. Unfortunately, it comes with the same exact charger that you get with your Note 10, okay, your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, which is, I think, with 25 watts. So that trickles down, and through the conversion process, you can see it inputs 9 volts at 2.77 amps. Okay, so that's roughly 25 watts, and it requires it too. So you have to use a 25-watt power adapter, and luckily, of course, it comes with one in order to get that full 15 watts. Now, I have another one down here, and this is the Incipio. This was also supposed to be a 15-watt charger, and it said it was supposed to be upgradable to it. But this came out years ago. Like, I want to say I got this in 2017, maybe the end of 2016, and claims to have an output of greater than or equal to 15 watts. So input at 12 volt, 2 amps, so it also gets about 24 watts input. But it actually doesn't translate that to any devices that I've ever tried on it. So this was something that came out a while ago. Maybe the standard wasn't quite there. Maybe it's just to protect you because there's no fan cooling. But here, let me show you the difference here, okay? So real briefly, when I have this guy plugged in here, you will see it will give you a little notice there in terms of what the charging rate is right now. Okay, so I put this on here, right? Charging wirelessly, 1 hour 19 goes down to 56 minutes, down to 44 minutes. So this is at Fast Charge 2.0, and that is at the full-on 15 watts of charging. Okay, so that's the breakdown in terms of the wireless charging, regular wireless charging, 1 hour and 20 minutes, down to 56 minutes, down to 44 minutes. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so that's at the full 15 minutes. Now, if I put this down on the Incipio down here, I will show you what I get. Well, let's see. Charging wirelessly, 1 hour 19, just like usual. It only goes down to 56 minutes. Okay, so it's only supporting up to 10 watts of charging with this supposed 15 watt charger by Incipio, right? Now, this is obviously well past the warranty period. This is what happens when you try to adopt something really early. In fact, this Ghost charger, I believe, yeah, this was the Ghost G charger, had these claims that in the future when devices actually support this would be able to do it. But obviously, it's only going up to 10 watts on this guy, whereas the Samsung actually gives the full-on 15 watts. And yeah, it does make a difference. Now, you might say, well, look, Mike, you're only dropping 12 minutes before it gets until full. Well, what you need to know is that this charges pretty much at full on 15 watts when you're in the lower capacity range, just like the same thing with the fast charging. It's that last 10%, 15%, etc., where it has to trickle down to get, to make sure that you're not running at full blast. So that it protects the battery, it protects your phone, and it's just better overall for your health of the phone. Okay, so it keeps things a little bit cooler that way. All right, so let me see if I can go ahead and show you on the phone what I'm talking about in terms of the settings for the fast charging, just so you can see. And I believe it's just down in settings. Let's see. Bear with me because I'm a new convert to Samsung. All right, so apparently it's under App Power Management. So you go down over here and basically it's down here. So you've got fast cable charging, whether you enable it. You can charge your battery more quickly. Your device may become hot while using fast charging cable. If fast charging cable charging is turned off, standard charging will be used instead. So that's completely your option to do it. And then you got the fast wireless charging. So you may hear a fan noise when using fast wireless charging. So you'll want to turn both of these on. I guess it's nice that you can customize and decide whether or not you want it on or off. But I see no point in turning these off for most people. Okay, most people, right? I suppose if you want to maximize the battery life, you don't want to turn on any of these. Meaning, you want to kind of baby the battery inside the phone so that lasts just a little bit longer. I don't think it makes sense for most people. You're paying for this option to get fast charging. You should use it, especially if this is your daily driver. Okay, so that's my opinion. You can take it or leave it, but I really love the fast charging. And at $80, it's a bit steep. But if you want to see what the latest price is on this, please check my affiliate link down below. And please use that. That helps support my channel and me making videos like this that could be beneficial for the rest of us. Okay, so that's my quick review. I think it's totally worth it. Maybe not at the $80 price point, but if you look at it and you're thinking I want to actually make wireless charging useful to me, then this is worth getting. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.